So you guys, this is how it looks like. It looks so long, guys, and yeah. This is how our Chinese spaghetti with beef looks like. So delicious, guys, and yeah, it's a very great recipe you guys can make for yourself or your So you guys, today we're going to be making some Chinese stir-fry with beef and spaghetti. And guys, our hand has been washed, and here I have my beef. I'm going to be marinating it. But first, I'm going to go take my spaghetti, put some salt inside our water, and put some spaghetti. So you guys, we're going to put it... what's it called, Mommy? So you guys, now we're going to chop our bell pepper with our... So, well, I just want to start boiling. Now I'm going to be putting a little bit of salt. And I'm going to be putting in my spaghetti. Hey, what's it doing? I'll be putting our beef with some soy sauce. So guys, we go to cook. So guys, we go to cook. Now I'm going to put inside a small stick of salt. I'll be putting in some paprika. That's enough. Now I'm going to be putting inside some black pepper, cornstarch. I'm going to be putting 2 scoops. Or you guys can put in how much you want. 1, 2. And also, my beef has been washed with some lime and salt, or you guys can wash it with some vinegar, any way you want. Now let's put it. Mix it very well, guys, because after this, we're going to be going and fry. And you guys, please subscribe to our YouTube. Okay, I'm going to go wash my hands, and we're going to go fry. Please drop in the YouTube channel. Please. So you guys, my friend's gonna be doing the last one. Got it. I'm gonna do all this. I'm gonna do all this. Yeah, you can do all of this if you want to. Oh, my sister is cutting her breakfast. Everything is gone. Now we're done. So you guys, this is how this looks so far. I'm going to let it to be ready on both sides, and then I'm going to come back. And you guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah. How's it going? You like chopping it? Yeah, and everything. Good. Did you chop yours? Yes. You didn't chop yours fully. I chopped it. I'm going to go chop mine. Mommy, let's try to chop, guys. Look, okay? Okay. Be careful, okay? Thank you, Finn. Don't forget Skyra. Don't put it in my hand. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and that's it. Guys, now I'm gonna be making my sauce, and my sister's gonna be blending in her garlic. So let's do it. And this is we're gonna be doing one soup. Then we drop off everything. Yes, you do. Here we have our soy sauce. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Hi. Perfect. Before spicy. Oh, it's good. I like it. It's good. We're gonna be putting in our sweet soy sauce. No. Don't do it. What are you doing? So hey guys, now we're gonna be putting inside our sweet chili sauce. Good job, Skyra and Shane. Hey guys, now I'm gonna put inside my cooking wine.
I don't have any cookies. So next time you'll do a cake. One more.
No, but they're not to do this way. Our oyster sauce.
I'm telling you.
Stop.
Shane, I got this.
So you guys, the last ingredient I'm going to be putting inside our cornstarch, we're going to be putting in 2 scoops of this one. 1, 2. Now I'm going to be mixing everything together. Hey guys, this is the things I'm going to be using. And now let's get started. The first thing, we're going to be putting into sesame oil. Perfect. I'm going to stir. Now I'm going to stir. Yes, I'm going to let it to be there until it's ready, and I'm going to put it. Guys, now I'm going to be putting it inside some cooking wine. We're done putting our cooking wine. Now I'm going to put inside our beef that had been fried. Ooh, that looks good.
Is it mountain sushi? Mommy.
So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside the bell pepper my sister and my brother has cut. My sister and my brother are going to be doing this because they cut it.
First, what you do?
The whole thing.
No.
For the whole thing.
As soon as you say I have to put the whole thing. I want to put it.
I want to stir, guys.
Okay.
Shane, excuse me.
I want to give me thing. I didn't make.
After, give it to Skyra, okay?
No, you
with the Skylar. This guy.
No, wir haben ihn ja.
Now my brother's gonna, no Sky, not you. Now my brother's gonna be putting it in the sauce that I made. Put it inside, Shane. Put it, all of it. All of it, Shane, all of it.
Why?
Because it's supposed to like this.
What is so much on my socks?
So you guys, can you see how bomb this looks?
What happened to my
Look so
car?
bomb, guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
What happened?
So you guys, now I'm gonna be putting inside our green onions and our scallion. And you saw, you guys, this is how it looks like so far. Looks so bomb, guys. And can you guys see how bomb this looks?
Someone go for it.
No, put it inside.
Give me now. Give me mix. They go to a
Can you guys see how bomb this looks? This is how our sauce looks like so far.
Oh, you.
And you guys, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Spaghetti.
Everyone gets one each, right? So, yeah, I'm getting one try.
Let's just put it.
Everyone getting it. Three or three tries because she's this one. One. Two. Hey, what does it put on it?
Now let's mix everything. Hey guys, this is the end of that. This is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, guys, and yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys.
You got a soup on gas. I got it up. Cheese. This is so bomb gas. I got it up in the channel. Us, please make this for my mom and my dad and my dad and my brother. Please make it.
So you guys, this is the end result. This is how it looks like. It looks so bomb, guys, and now we're gonna be tasting. But the first thing first, we gotta pray. Our brother's gonna be praying today. Shane, pray, okay?
Okay.
Amen.
Amen. Baba so food. There's a half a amen. Amen. Totos. Amen. Amen. And that's it.
Now let's taste, guys.
I got to
This is how I'm gonna taste. I'm gonna roll mine up like this.
What about this?
Yes, guys.
This is end. This is end, guys.
It's the end result, and yeah, peace. You guys, did I make something or what? This stir-fried Chinese spaghetti with beef is so good. Let's taste it, guys.
It says you guys.
You guys, we did a very, very, very great job, guys. This is so delicious. I just want to take some spaghetti. Now I'm going to be tasting the beef. Let's taste the beef, guys. Let's taste beef too. You guys, the beef is super.
Yes.
So good, guys.
Good, guys.
It's very good, guys. And these were those who made it to the end.
So good. But this is Mama just your aunt.
Yes.